Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can view like previous versions before you have edited like your picture. For instance, you want to view the original one, or if you want to like go back before you added the presets and adjustments, you're just going to find versions over here. And when you go to original, it'll go to the original before you added the presets, and you can also press apply, or you can go to auto. So this is the current one, this is the one on, it's the same, and this is the original one. And you can also go back and go to reset, and you can just press the one on the top to view like the original one, or go to the to open one, like the recent, like the one on the most bottom one that has the preset on. You can just press the one on the bottom. But yeah, that is basically how you can like view previous files of your pictures on Adobe Lightroom. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!